Hello everybody, we're working on a 2021 Mazda CX-30. We're programming in new keys. Our machine here is hooked up to the car's OBD and we are waiting for 7 minutes. Once the horn will sound, we will begin the programming procedure simply by putting each key directly above the push to start reader here and waiting for the vehicle to sense it and register it in its computer. Usually this takes, like I said, 7 minutes. Right now, we're just letting the machine do its thing and clear out the old keys or add keys. And that's it. So Mazda CX30 2021, programming new keys to the system. And also, if your battery ever died in the vehicle or in the remote and you're not able to start the vehicle with the remote, it's going to tell you no key detected. Simply hold your remote up to the push to start button and then push the foot on the brake and then start the car by pushing it together. Because it's going to read the chip inside the fob here, and there's a reader right around the ignition. Thanks for watching, guys.